Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.42 on AlmaLinux 9 versions. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.42. If you are unable to find the version, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Click on it. Then select the operating system. See here we don't have the AlmaLinux. Then select the OS version, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 or Oracle Linux 9 64-bit. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be executed to install the MySQL Server 8.0.42. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. Wait a moment, see download started and its size is 899 megabytes. Wait until download completes. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. CD, go to downloads directory, ls, see here, we have the MySQL 8.0.42 tar file. We have to untar this one. So tar-exec, give the MySQL, use the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter. See extraction completed, ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Control it, sudo rpm -ivh no tabs, then star.rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, installation is completed. Control A. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl my status MySQL D. MySQL D is the service name for the MySQL server. Hit enter. See, MySQL server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Hit enter. It is started. Let us verify the status again. See, MySQL server is started. Q to quit, Control A. Now connect to MySQL server. But to connect to MySQL server, we must have the password. So we can get the temporary root account password by going to more/etc/var log mysql.log pipe symbol grep, then give password. Hit enter. So we must give it, run this with sudo. Hit enter. See, this is the temporary password. Okay. Copy it. Now run the sudo mysql _secure _installation. Hit enter. Then paste this password here. Hit enter. Now provide the new password. Confirm the same. See, the password that I have provided doesn't satisfy the current policy requirement. So provide the strong password. Now if you want to change, I don't want, hit enter. Remove anonymous users, type yes. Disallow, no. Remove test database, yes. Reload privileges for database, yes. See, all done. So we have successfully set the password for root account. We have to remember this password. Control A. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. So provide the password of root account that we have set. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server 8.0.42. We can also verify the version of the MySQL server by running the command select version. See, we have connected to MySQL server 8.0.42. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. So if you want to create database, create database. Verify again. See, database is created. Now switch to this database and create a table. Type the command use, then provide the name of the database. Now verify list of tables in this database. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Create table. Verify again. Show tables. Now insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will see how to create user. First verify, before creating user, first verify list of users. So users. This won't work. See, there is no command. So you can get the list of the users by running the command select user from MySQL .user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user. Create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify again. See, we have created user. Now exit from this MySQL by using my exit command. Now connect MySQL server with this new user. MySQL -u, username is David -p. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. So provide that password. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server. Let us verify the currently logged in user. See, we have connected to MySQL server by using David. Okay. Now try to switch to bank database. See, we are unable to connect access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. Exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server on AlmaLinux 9. Sudo systemctl status MySQL d. Restarted. Stop it. We have successfully stopped. See, MySQL server is stopped. Okay, quit it. Also try to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL d. It is started. Let us verify the status. See, we have started 2 seconds ago. Control A. If you want to restart, just use sudo systemctl restart MySQL d. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is started or restarted 1 second ago. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL server by using the most popular tools like MySQL Workbench or DB, or you can search for my YouTube channel how to install them on Linux operating systems. Okay, so we have successfully installed ls. These files are not required anymore. rm star.rpm ls. We see here we have one more file. Remove it also. rm give MySQL, give the tab to autofill, enter file name. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.0.42 on AlmaLinux 9 versions. Okay, for more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.